Right. Nakapasok na ba kayo ng portable na CR? I-tour ko kayo ha. I-tour ko kayo. Wait a minute. Ito yon porta potty. Boys! I need to get in. I'll find you there. So, i-tour ko kayo sa porta potty. Okay? So, dito, hagok pa si Chambi. Oo nga. Ito yung portable potty nila. Yan, meron silang tada, may hand sanitizer. Tapos, dyan, merong toilet paper. Somewhere. Ay, basta, ayan, may toilet paper. Hindi pa nabuksan. Same pala silang hahaba ang buhok. Yes, Annalisa Dazo, kakagising ko lang. Ay, kan ba sa Jessie? Sapanjud ka duwar. Mag-tour sa din sa porta potty ba? So, ako gani mong i-tour ba? Asa man di ay imo padulong, ma'am. Anak, may gani sa, sa somewhere there. Tapos, pag may ikakabit ka, yung whatever na tatanggalin mo, meron din kabit-kabitan dyan. Tapos, pagka lalaki ka, ayan, dyan para sa'yo. Of course, pag nagwiwi sila. Pero pag nag-uu sila, dito din. At tapos, I'm afraid to open it. It might be. Ayan, that's it. Right there. It's blue inside. Okay, that's where you pupu and you pipi. Alis na tayo kasi mainit. And then, dito din. Diba sabi ko tour. Ito din, meron din silang, you have to step here. Yan. Tapos lalabas yung water. Oh, diba? May water na maghugas ka ng kamay mo dito. Then there's the toilet paper. Paper towel. So pag nauhaw ka, wala ka namang pambayad ng inumin, dito ka na lang. Just step in this one. Ayan, hugas ka ng kamay. Bravo Station. Now, what's this for? I don't know what's that for. But then, yeah. Let's go na. Ari ko sa daplin. Kay init kayo diyang tapito. Ayun. Wala na sila. Ay, naku, meron mga there they are. Alright, so ayan, meron na namang porta potty dyan. Mag-CR siguro ni Sharon Diha. Hindi ako mag-CR doon, uy. Mamaya siguro, pag hindi na kayang i-hold. Ayan. So, eto naman. Alam nyo ba, gusto kong magkaroon ng ganito sa Pilipinas. Yung mga ganyan, tingnan mo, sila may Travelin' Tom's Coffee. Tapos, dito naman Kona Ice. Tapos, doon naman Dreamy Whip. Gusto kong magkaroon ng ganyan sa Pilipinas pag nauwi ako. Ang dami kong plano, Puro lang plano. Hinihingal ako. You wanna get Kona Ice? Ask if we can use card. Where's the funnel cake? Yeah, ask too if we can pay. Oh, you know what? I think we will just go there. And no, we will go there and buy tickets.
Where would you get tickets? How'd that help?
For the stuff.
I know, but how do we pay for the stuff?
Oh, the one in orange snack? I would like to ask her. I know she know something because she's the stuff. But I think that's how it works. I will ask her. Excuse me, I will bother you. Nobody in here accept card.
So we're cash mostly.
Right.
But there is an ATM, I think, down that way.
Oh,
You'll
okay
see. And
then.
I also think that, yeah, there should be an ATM down that way, and then I think some of the other people down there will exchange.
Okay, thank you. What are those tickets for?
What are the what?
The tickets for? What are those tickets for?
Oh, I'm honestly not sure. The cup, the white cups.
Yeah.
That's for beer.
Oh, I see.
So if you want
Gotcha.
refills and stuff, do that. I think it's a little bit cheaper.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ATM here somewhere. What's that line for? That's too long, huh? That's the ATM?
Maybe.
OMG. Yeah, I don't want to leave because if we leave, then we will lose our spot. Huh? Are you sure that's the ATM, Yoshi?
Main character energy.
No, they're buying tickets for the game. I mean, for rides. Let's go find the ATM. I know, but you said you want to buy something.
I know.
Alright.
I don't want to ride.
Okay. Did she point it? She point this way.
Did she?
Yeah, she did.
What's that? That lady.
Oh gosh, it's too hot. Boys, find the ATM, then come get me.
Paisley Park. Find the ATM.
Come on. I'll be right here. Let's come back here if you find it. I'll be right here. Find it. Sabi ng asawa ko, bossy daw masyado ako. Oh. Baka hindi pwede. Yung sa portable CR, yung may sabitan, ma'am, pwede sabitan ng bag din doon. Ay, oo, ay. Eh, meron palang ano dito, zipline. Syalan po doon eh. Naman dahil zipline dari eh. Siguro alam nyo kung nandito si Dave, sasakay ako sa mga yan. Wow. Uh-oh, what happened? She cannot get down? OMG. What's going on? Oh, gosh. Ah, right there. There's a zip line. Kunyari, pang zip line na yan. Napaka-iksi. Sandali lang, hanap naman ako ng upuan, oh. Jumping tayo dyan. Pampatanggal ng mga taba-taba. Yan ang mga taba-taba. Yes, Jerlyn, maganda dito. Ayan, yung slide na dyan. Sabi ko, kina Yoshi, kunin nila ko doon, pero mainit doon. Dito tayo sa under the tree. Ay, nako, buti na lang busog na kami. Kung hindi, masakit. Mainit na naman ulo ko. Excuse me po. Ay. Grabe naman yung mukha ko, napaka-oily. Init. Nagdala unta ka payong naman. Oh, ay Anjo, meron akong malaking payong. Kaso naman nakakahiya kasi ako lang nakapayong dito. Daghan na jud matamamaan kay daghan na ta. Ay oo nga, nag-16 na tayo. Si Sheila, alam mo yung sino yung mga nandun kanina? Ay, si Jodeline pala yung nauna. Anyway, yeah, si Jodeline. Unang-una si Jodeline. Tapos si Marites ba yun, Jodeline? Yung sumunod. Anak kay Landong Mamay. Oo, dito ako sa Landong. Uy, lako, mali na itsura diha. Uy, perti mang... Ay... try to ask. They might accept card, huh?
I don't know. You can probably pay with tickets. You know what?
No, the tickets are for the beer and the rides. Ask Jay if they accept card. Yeah, go. Woo! Mga ka-friendship ko dyan. Ang itsura ng lula nyo, hindi na fresh. Si Anli, Ma'am Ann. Sino yun? Si Jodeline tapos si Anli. Gida, unta ni mo imo stick. Ay nako, Ma'am Shi, yung stick na yan, last time hindi po pwede. Di ba nung concert, dala-dala ko ngayon eh. Grabe yung itsura ng lola nyo, oh. Mukha na siyang chorizo. Mukhang chorizo. Oh. Dito ko sunang live ni mo tapos nasaag. Paano naman kasi, Anli? Akala ko kasi uwi na lang kami. Enjoy lang mo diha, Ma'am Ann. Yes, Marlon Bautista. Si Marvic Giselle to eh. Jodeline Sheila. Yun. Okay. Thank you, si Sheila. Thank you. O, diba? Opo, ayun, si Marites, si Giselle nga. Ay, naku, ang init po. Ako yan. Yes, Marivic Giselle, si Marlon Bautista. Sobrang init talaga. Pag wala pa si Chambis World, Anli, baka pwede naman ikaw dyan na muna, ha? Anli, ha? Anli. Ikaw munang sexy. How about the Kona ice?
I don't know.
Okay. You want funnel cake?
I'll get Kona ice.
All right.
If I'm gonna get some cold.
Let's go.
My back is actually very human.
Huh?
My back is very human.
Your back is very human?
Moist.
Oh, humid. Where's the funnel cake?
Funnel cake is right there. Huh?
I want one of those bad girl ovens.
Yeah.
And I was almost sacrificed to
Yeah, I want that one. You'll get one very fucking good.
Alright, what are you getting? Come on, order because it's hot. Yeah, just get classic. Oh. Come on, come on. Go order. Come on.
Oh, get two. I get two. Two lemonade?
Oh, okay.
Okay. One large berry sweet funnel cake and two pink lemonades.
Absolutely, yeah. Alright, we got one large all day. Yeah, and then two pink lemonades.
I have a leather jacket on.
What? Yeah. Give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
Get the Wi-Fi And then, did you want regular whipped cream on the very sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you wait for your food. Oh, okay.